Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have white portable shower caddies, and I'll show you what we got. This is it right here, if we can get it out of the box. Okay, so there we go, empty box. And here are the shower caddies. So we have 4 of these. So these are great. So if you need a set of a few of these for multiple people in the family or anything like that, you're golden. But let me show you what we've got here. So we have a nice shower caddy, and it's got made out of that plastic that's somewhat flexible, so that's good there. So dropping it won't just shatter or anything like that. We're good. And then we have lots of holes in it, so lots of drainage. That is great. And so this will give us the ability, we have 4 of the same. So if you have different people in your family or your roommates and things like that, and you're sharing a shower, everybody can have their own. You can put your soaps and shower shampoos and washcloths and whatever else you need in the shower in this here, and then bring it with you into the shower. So brilliant idea here. I would even go as far as to write the names on it. So I could say if we're going with the family here, I could have it say Neil, and it could say Sarah, and it could say everybody else's name, depending on who it is. And as they go into the shower, everyone brings their own stuff, or even just leave it in the shower with your names on it. And it's got a nice little handle on there. And they are stackable when they're empty, but I'm guessing when it's full, it won't stack quite the same. But you get the idea. So separate compartments. I guess you could use it for anything. Could even use it for tools and whatnot. If I had a bunch of tools that I wanted to store and bring with me, I could put that in here to carry it around the house. My cleaning lady actually uses these as something very, very similar to this, and she has her cleaning cloths and some of the different squirting materials as she brings it around. So very cool, nice little setup. Thumbs up, very cool.